Welcome to another BodyMaitre for Body's Consciousness meditation. Today, together with your higher self and the collective angelic team, we are inviting two healing frequencies together: peace and ease. Peace is not the absence of challenges. Ease is not the absence of effort. Peace is the stillness within you. Ease is trusting the natural flow of life. When your four bodies are aligned with peace and ease, your mind becomes clear, your heart becomes light, your body becomes relaxed, your soul remembers that everything is unfolding in divine timing. Today, you are not trying to create peace, you are remembering that peace has always existed within you. Simply allow yourself to receive. Everything happens only for your highest good. You are completely protected, completely supported, and infinitely loved. Find a comfortable position, allow your hands to relax naturally, close your eyes gently, take a slow, deep breath in, and slowly breathe out. Again, breathing in calmness, breathing out tension. One more deep breath. Feel your shoulders soften, feel your jaw relax, feel your heart becoming quiet. Imagine a beautiful sphere of golden white light surrounding your entire body. Within this sacred space, only divine love may enter. Your higher self now steps beside you. The collective angelic team lovingly surrounds you. You are safe. You are guided, you are supported. Take another deep breath in and slowly exhale. Bring your awareness to the space just above your head, your spiritual body. Imagine a tranquil, pale cerulean blue light mixed with soft pearl white descending from the cosmos. This is the pure consciousness of peace and ease. Allow this light to activate your spiritual awareness, reminding your soul that struggle is an illusion and that you are divinely supported. Feel this quiet energy anchor into your blueprint. As this frequency downloads into your spiritual body, silently affirm to yourself: I am aware that divine flow supports my life. I realize my soul's natural state of effortless peace. Let the tranquil light of peace shine brightly within your spiritual self. I now activate the consciousness of peace and ease. I remember divine order. I trust the perfect timing of life. My soul rests in unconditional peace. I allow life to flow naturally. Peace is my true spiritual nature. Allow this awareness to anchor deeply. Simply receive. Take a deep, quiet breath in and let it go. Now, allow this serene light of peace and ease to flow down into your mind, entering your mental body. Visualize this frequency downloading into your subconscious, clearing away the exhausting urge to rush, the pressure to figure everything out instantly, and all hyper-vigilant overthinking. We now install the consciousness of peace and ease as your new mental baseline. Allow this energy to program your mind to operate at a steady, unhurried, spacious pace. Silently affirm, I think with calm clarity. My mind operates on the unhurried frequency of peace and ease. My thoughts become calm. I trust every solution will appear. My mind naturally chooses clarity. I release unnecessary worry. My thinking becomes peaceful and effortless. Watch every thought becoming spacious, clear, balanced, relaxed. Breathe in this mental spaciousness and exhale Let this soothing pearl blue energy continue its journey, flowing gently down into your heart and your emotional body. Allow yourself to truly feel the deep safety and relaxation that true serenity brings. Let it wash over any lingering anxiety, restlessness, or emotional overwhelm, allowing a quiet, gentle tranquility to emerge from within your heart space. Give this frequency permission to express itself fully. Silently affirm, I feel deeply serene, safe, and relaxed. I allow pure ease to flow through my emotional world. My heart is safe. I allow life to support me. Calmness naturally fills my emotions. I welcome harmony. Peace becomes my emotional home. Feel your heart smiling. Feel warmth spreading throughout your chest. Allow yourself to simply rest. Take a soft, expansive breath into your heart and release. Finally, guide this gentle frequency of peace and ease all the way down into your physical body. Send it into your neck, your dropping shoulders, your unclenched jaw, and deeply into your nervous system. Notice the physical sensation of your breath slowing down as this effortless energy settles into your physical vessel. By grounding this vibration, you allow peace to materialize as physical vitality and stamina. As you embody this consciousness, it manifests as a smooth, graceful flow in your daily reality. Silently affirm, I act with effortless flow. I physically manifest the energy of peace and ease in all that I do. My body lives peace and ease. Every breath restores me. My body feels relaxed and supported. My actions become effortless. I move through life with grace. Peace naturally manifests through me. Imagine millions of cells glowing with peaceful light. Your entire body becomes lighter, healthier, more harmonious. Breathe in deeply, anchoring this grounded tranquility into your physical form. Take a moment to feel the frequency of peace and ease beautifully aligned across your spiritual, mental, emotional, and physical bodies. You have successfully downloaded and integrated this self-mastery code. Know that the more you listen to this meditation, the more deeply this consciousness will actualize, permanently regulating your system and manifesting effortless flow in your reality. Your higher self and the collective angelic team celebrate this beautiful upgrade with you. Your higher self now gently steps toward you, placing both hands upon your heart. A beautiful sapphire golden sphere begins glowing inside your chest. This becomes your inner sanctuary of peace. Every breath strengthens it. Every day it expands, no matter what happens around you. This peaceful sanctuary always remains within you. You may return here anytime, simply by breathing, simply by remembering. Now imagine yourself 1 month from today. Living with the consciousness of peace and ease. Notice how relaxed your face looks. Notice your calm confidence. Notice how easily you solve problems. Notice how opportunities naturally come toward you. Notice harmonious relationships. Notice restful sleep. Notice effortless abundance. Notice how your presence brings peace to others. Allow your subconscious mind to learn from this future version of yourself. This is becoming your new normal. Now imagine this beautiful peace expanding outward into your family, into your home, into your workplace, into your business, into your community, into the earth without effort. Your peaceful presence becomes a blessing for humanity. As you embody peace, you help awaken peace in the collective consciousness. Take one final deep breath. The collective angelic team now lovingly seals today's installation. Your higher self gently confirms the consciousness of peace and ease has now been activated, downloaded, installed, integrated, anchored, and is naturally unfolding at the perfect pace for your highest good. Every moment you choose peace, this frequency grows stronger. Every breath reminds you, life is supporting you. Everything is working out for your highest good. Bring awareness back to your breathing. Feel your body resting comfortably. Feel the chair beneath you. Feel your feet connected to the earth. Gently wiggle your fingers. Roll your shoulders softly, and when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Welcome back. Thank you for dedicating this time to your four-body mastery today. Return to this meditation whenever you wish to reconnect with your natural state of peace and ease. Each time you listen, the consciousness of peace and ease becomes more deeply embodied within your spiritual body, your mental body, your emotional body, and your physical body. Remember, peace is not something you must search for. Ease is not something you must earn. They are your original divine frequencies, waiting to be remembered and lived. Until next time, may your higher self and the collective angelic team continue to guide every step of your four bodies mastery journey.